Okay, so today I'm going to do another video. It's cold as shit. It's finally snowing. Thank God. So I just got done doing 10 minutes of 25-yard sprints. 25 yards every minute on the minute for 10 minutes. And I'm not wearing anything but shorts and a t-shirt. So, not surprisingly, hey, it's 0. I wonder why. Okay, you can see the greenhouse is nice and buttoned up with snow. I'm gonna pick a salad today, like I do every day. And here is the new and improved greenhouse. This lock needs to be redone because it works, but, well, I guess it got enough for government work, as they say. So let's go in this sanctuary. Ah, much warmer. I think I could live in here. Okay, so we got the tomatoes tomatoing. We've got the microgreens microgreening. By the way, these are some saffron plants that I planted in here. These little long shoots. That bed's got a saffron plant and a bunch of harvested microgreens, what's left of them. You can see the tomatoes are flowering. Let's take a look at the weather. Okay. I don't have enough light on this sun. Yeah, it looks like about 40 degrees F. So we're about a 10 plus here on the north side of the greenhouse. Here's some more microgreens that are sprouting. Here's the one-cap mushroom bed, which is now starting to show some growth. Hopefully this whole thing will turn white and I'll start growing some wine-cap mushrooms. Here's another microgreen bed with the elderberry bush that I'm probably going to get rid of. As I said, I'm probably going to convert this into a composting flood and drain grow bed. But for now, I'm just growing some more microgreens in it. Here's another bed where I harvested a bunch of microgreens the other day for a salad. Inadvertently cut off the top of a saffron plant. Hopefully I didn't kill it. This is an avocado plant that sprouted in my compost. I think it's alive, an avocado tree. Here's another little saffron plant. Here's some more saffron. So I'll probably going to be harvesting off what's left here today. Of course, here are the fish. Sorry for the lack of light. But it is what it is. So I probably won't go underwater right now because you're not going to see much. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to bore you with me harvesting my plants, but everything is holding up. It looks like the snow has got the panels closed on the top, which is keeping the heat in. That other panel is slightly open, so that's going to have to be addressed with some sealant or something. I'm thinking about putting some more foam spray up there so that it makes a nice seal. I've got a little water drip right here, which means the top isn't sealed properly, which I'll have to address. But other than that, all systems are go. Fish are happy, I'm happy, and hopefully you're happy. Talk to you guys later.